And I present to you the Anti-Gravity Pod. Our hearts are weighed down by gravity each day, which causes a little bit of stress, a little bit of anxiety, and in the long run causes death. Imagine doing heart surgery within anti-gravity. The chances of the surgery would become 100% or more. Check it out. This is where the patient floats and the surgeon can put his arm through the arm port here. There will be two of them and they can move side to side, and will be assisted by an AI Da Vinci robot. My name's Ed, future president. I want to make sure that all Americans have the longest life possible, longevity, and freedom, for sure. So let's get it going with the anti-gravity pod.